In today's video, I will walk you through how to compare different things in ChatGPT. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along, you can open ChatGPT by visiting the official OpenAI website and signing into your account. Once you're inside ChatGPT, you'll be using the chat box where you normally type questions and prompts. That is where we'll do everything in this example. One thing ChatGPT is very good at is comparing different things. It has access to a large amount of information, which allows it to organize ideas and explain differences in a way that is easy to read. Let's go through an example on screen. In the chat box, type a question like, "What is the difference between cell phone and tablet?" This is a very basic prompt, but even with something simple like this, ChatGPT can create a detailed comparison. After it generates the response, take a look through it. You might notice that it breaks things into different areas. It may also include a short summary at the end to help bring everything together. Now imagine you look at the answer and feel that it is a bit too long. You do not need to start over with a new conversation. You can continue inside the same chat and give feedback. Type something like, "Rewrite this in under 300 words. Then if the explanation still feels too complex, you can add more detail to your request and say something like, "Rewrite this for a complete beginner," or "Write it for someone in 5th grade." Send that prompt and watch how the response changes. You'll notice the wording becomes easier to understand and the explanation becomes shorter. Instead of using more advanced categories and descriptions, it may explain cats and dogs in a simpler way and finish with a quick summary. This shows something important about ChatGPT. You can tell it the tone you want, who the content is for, and even how long the response should be. Let's try another comparison. You could ask something like, "What are the differences between iOS and Android?" ChatGPT will generate another comparison and organize the information for you. As you keep using it, remember that you can treat ChatGPT more like a conversation rather than a one-time search. You can tell it that the answer was too long, too difficult to read, or that you want it to focus more on a specific area such as security or hardware. The more feedback you give inside the same chat, the more context it builds from the conversation. Since it remembers what has already been discussed in that chat, it can continue improving the answers it gives you over time. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to compare different things and shape the responses so they match exactly what you need.